How can you remodel your bathroom with sustainability in mind? If you don't know where to start, I'll show you how your bathroom remodel can be healthy and eco-conscious. Bathroom remodels are great opportunities to make sustainable choices when it comes to materials, water, and energy use. The most sustainable remodel starts before any tile comes down. Step 1. Plan to reuse what you can. Vanities, tubs, doors, and fixtures often have life left in them. We painted and installed new hardware on our old vanity, and we also put a new countertop on it. Looks totally different. And as an added bonus, this also helped us save a lot of money on our bathroom renovation. Now, for what you can't save, try to donate or sell it. Organizations like Habitat for Humanity's Restore take salvageable items. And when you demo with a contractor, just ask for selective demolition, which means you only remove what they have to in order to renovate your bathroom. And just overall, try to salvage as much as possible for reuse instead of just throwing it away. In fact, in many areas, even wood scraps from demo can be recycled, especially if they don't have any paint or stain. And while you're demoing, just watch out for hazards. If your home is older, it might have lead paint or asbestos. Be very careful around anything that might have asbestos, especially, and always bring in a professional if you suspect it. And if your home was built before 1978, it could have lead paint. Bathrooms use the most water of any space in our homes. But if you upgrade your fixtures, you can dramatically cut that down. Look for EPA WaterSense labeled faucets, shower heads, and toilets. A dual flush or low flow toilet uses just 0.8 to 1.28 gallons per flush. And bidets are another great toilet option. They reduce toilet paper use. And honestly, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but now that we have a bidet, I could never go back. And shower heads, the water efficient ones have 1.8 gallons per minute or less. Faucets use 1.2 gallons per minute or less. And using less hot water also reduces energy use because water heating is one of the biggest residential uses of energy. And when it comes to piping, copper and cast iron are durable and recyclable, and I prefer them over PVC and PEX piping, which are plastic materials. They're hard to recycle, and we really don't know what they're contributing in terms of microplastics. Next, materials. What your bathroom is made of impacts both the planet and the health of your space. For flooring, I look for a local natural stone whenever possible, or a porcelain or ceramic with recycled content. And if your bathroom doesn't have a shower, I would consider an FSC certified wood. And for walls, tile made locally or with recycled content, again, is a great choice. And I like to pair it with a low VOC grout. As for painting, look for paints that are low or no VOC, and look for ones with natural pigments. There's a lot of really cool brands out there, and I'll link some of them in the description. And for countertops, those can be sustainable too. So I consider stone remnants, recycled glass materials, or even bio-based materials like paper stone. Now, a common material is quartz, right? And if you do go with it, I would highly recommend that you ask your fabricator how they protect against silica dust exposure. This is a serious hazard in that industry and is linked to severe lung disease, and it's being banned in certain countries. For cabinetry, I look for FSC certified or reclaimed wood options, and I also make sure to avoid MDF with formaldehyde. Finishes like Rubio Monocoat or Osmo Poly X are healthier alternatives to a conventional varnish. Lighting and ventilation are some often overlooked areas of a bathroom. For lighting, I look for efficient LED fixtures that also have replaceable bulbs, and bonus points if they come from local or sustainable focused brands. And don't forget daylight. No energy needed. Just add a skylight or a solar tube, and this cuts down on lighting needs. Plus, it looks great. It makes you look great. And for ventilation, I choose an Energy Star exhaust fan. Something with a motion sensor or a timer to keep them from running all day and to help keep the moisture levels at a good level in your bathroom. And some fans even have a light and a fan in one unit, which is great. that saves on wiring and materials. It takes energy to heat and cool bathrooms, so when your walls or floors are open, it's a great time to insulate. That will reduce the need to heat and cool the space long term. I also think about skipping the really fun high energy add-ons like towel warmers or radiant floor heating unless you really need them or really want them. And finally, small upgrades like smart switches, dimmers, and automation can help you save energy every day. When it comes to finishes and decor, even the little details matter. Go for organic cotton towels, wood stools instead of plastic, and timeless accessories. I try to find accessories secondhand to help give them a longer life. And decor is really where you bring warmth and personality into your space. So just aim for natural and durable materials that aren't purchased new whenever possible. Sustainable bathrooms aren't about giving things up. They're about making thoughtful choices. From reusing materials to picking water-smart fixtures and eco-friendly finishes, every step adds up. In the description, I've linked my full sustainable bathroom checklist, which has more details and info on a sustainable remodel. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more design tips on style and sustainability.